So good morning and welcome. Thank you all for being here as we celebrate a major milestone for our airport and for our community. We are breaking ground on the largest component of the MoreRNO program, a transformational, multi-year modernization effort that will be delivered in phases over the next 4 years. The bigger part of that is we'll remain 100% operational throughout construction.
The board remains committed to ensure the RTAA continues to plan responsibly, invest wisely, deliver projects that reflect the values, safety, sustainability, and service that our communities are known for.
It's about vision, partnership, and the future of Northern Nevada.
This is an incredibly important project. I am so excited for what this new front door is going to look like.
When that plane flies over the mountain and we get to see the airport, we know we're home.
Now the moment you've all been waiting for. This is typically where we hand out the golden shovels. But I have a little secret. We've already broken ground.